How to make custom widgets on iPhone. To get started, first of all go to your iPhone home screen. The home screen is the primary interface for accessing apps, widgets, and system controls. It features a customizable grid of app icons, widgets, and potentially folders for organizing apps. Over here, long press on any empty area of the home screen until the icons start to wiggle and a minus sign appears on each app icon. Go to the top left corner and tap on Edit. Select Add Widget. Search for or scroll down to find the widget you want to add. For example, Weather. Once you're here, swipe to View to choose the section you want to add. For example, Forecast. Then, tap on Add Widget below. After that, tap on Done at the top right corner. You have now successfully added the weather widget to your home screen. Following these steps, you can easily make custom widgets on iPhone.